guys? We're back here in the shop. We got Aiden today. Say hi, Aiden.
Hi, what's up?
So, as you may see, there is a lack of engine now in the car. That is because I was actually successfully able to pull the original M20 out. I did get hung up on one thing. That was this cord down here. That's why you can see it's frayed all over the place because I kept trying to pull it by there and I didn't notice that it was connected. So that's my fault. We also got the Getrag pulled. Although there's a little bit of play in here. Not a whole lot though. I'm sure we're gonna blow this transmission up sometime soon. Hopefully it lasts the summer, we'll see. It'll eventually be replaced by a ZF. We have the M50 here now, and I got a turbo for it in the car, although the manifold is still en route here. It needs a few things, like a new belt and things like that, new water pump. In the meantime, I have the flywheel getting machined, and me and Aiden are gonna start getting this, the rest of the AC system deleted, which is this big honking guy right front. Let's get this out. I know once this is deleted, that weighs at least 15 pounds. So even more weight savings, and that's exactly where my intercooler will go, along with the radiator, which is over there. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna get a bolt over here off in this region. Alright, with some simple persuasion and some use of some wire cutters, we were able to get the rest of the AC unit out. Here's this pile of junk. It's so shitty. Duke, what do you think? Duke? Shitty? Yeah. So the next step will kind of be fishing this wire out like that. Alright. So that's gone. And then we just gotta get this hunk of junk out, which I think we should be able to do relatively easy. Yeah, should be pretty straightforward. All right, I think we need some 8mm. There's two. This looks like a fucking bomb. Hey, what's up guys? We're back here in the shop. I got my work Christmas sweater on that I work on the cars with, so I'm already dirty. That's good, we haven't started anything yet. I have a few things that I just bought, so let me bring them in real quick. Alright, so I got some more stuff. First thing, the shop needed some contractor bags, so now we have some good trash bags to put all our shit in. This right here is for the M50. These are some cheap Amazon timing tools, so that when I take the head off, I do not throw off the timing at all. We got some oil feed and return lines in here for the turbo. Here's a BMW head bolt socket to get the head off, so it should be helpful. To go along with that, I got this from Lowe's. It's a 20-100 torque wrench. So that's nice. It came with this sweet sticker, which I'm gonna throw onto the E30. We got some paint for all the trim that I might need to paint. I was just thinking about the front, like little grill area. Electrical tape for the harness, masking tape for painting, and an obscenely expensive step drill bit for tapping in oil lines and things. So I'm gonna put this over by my tools, and we should be good. More stickers, man. That's what I'm talking about. Give it a little wipe down. Nice clean surface. Oh yeah. Nice and straight too. That's what you want. Good. It's coming along great. The little sticker wall on each side. I got the brake reservoir off of the stock brake booster and I put it over here. Just sitting on some paper towels. It was still kind of draining. I also, like an idiot, pressed the clutch in while the slave cylinder was not in the transmission, and I spilled the slave cylinder's guts everywhere. So that slave cylinder is ruined. But it was already kind of in disrepair, so I ordered a new one before that anyway, so we're actually fine. But I'm still an idiot nonetheless. I've never taken one of these brake boosters out, and they're kind of irritating because on the back side of it, which is actually under the driver's side footwell, there's like 4 bolts that are super hard to get at and a clip, which I haven't figured out yet. But these tools that I bought a while ago, I'm hoping that they'll be able to help me get at that clip. I bought them for some other clip that was annoying. And now I have them. They're like some weird pick hook things. Don't really know, but we have them, so why not use them? This one looks promising for a little clip, if that's what we need to do. All right, so after quite a bit of persuasion, I got this clip off. Focus. There you go. So this clip came off first, and then this is what was holding it to the clevis. Just a little pin kind of thing, but let me tell you, this pin is super irritating to get out. So I'm gonna just WD-40 it when I put it back in. But good news is that we have that now. I'm going to move over here. We should be able to just pull the brake booster straight out. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Out you go. And there it is. Brake booster is out. Can I just grab that? That was not the most graceful fall. Yeah, so here's our brake booster. That's the clevis I was talking about. Let me grab our new brake booster and let's talk it over real quick. So here we have the original E30 Girling brake booster. And next to it we have the Porsche ATE brake booster. So let's put them next to each other. There's quite a substantial size difference, as you can see. This ATE booster is off a 9. Well, they found a 924s, 944s, and 968s. So Noah has this in his Porsche. The only thing that we need to do, from what I understand, is shave down this right here. So you can see that this is quite a bit shorter. It's actually the same length with the clevis on. So we need to angle grind to get this clevis to sit right. But first we need to get this clevis off. So let me go find a wrench and we'll try that. That bolt right there, nut, should I say, would not come off. So I'm shaving it off, sticking it in the vise, and then impacting this off. That was pretty easy actually, once you had the right tools for it. The brake booster just nearly fits. I need to kind of like tap and die, or like, you know, get more threads on it, so I need to create more threads. I don't know how to do that, I've never done that in my life. But Sam has the stuff to do it. But all this stuff is locked up, so I need to wait for Sam to come here and unlock it. So I'm gonna head back. I'm actually waiting for 2 parts that are coming today. The headers for the Turbo M50, so that's exciting, from Rapid Spool Industries. And then the Z3 steering rack is coming today. So that means when I come back later tonight, I will probably be trying to get this stock steering rack off, which should clear up some space, and then we'll fit up the new steering rack. Hopefully, definitely this weekend, hopefully tonight. We'll just take a quick break, I'll charge the camera, put the footage somewhere, clear up some space. So yeah, I'll be back pretty soon. Just gonna do a bunch.